Hello everyone, welcome back. In my last video, I spoke about the AI tools and skills which every finance student should learn. And so many people asked me one question that where do we learn this? How do we learn this? So in this video, I am giving you a roadmap which includes the YouTube resources, free resources, tutorials, websites, and the order in which you can learn these resources. Let's get started with the first one, ChatGPT prompting. Most people use AI very badly. You ask weak questions, so you get weak answers. So prompting is basically the skill of asking questions to AI. So for ChatGPT prompting, you need to know how to ask a question to AI so that you get the right information. This is very helpful for the finance students or job seekers or any person on this earth. AI is very helpful. The best way to learn prompting honestly is by using it daily. Yes. So the free resources to learn ChatGPT prompting are: first, YouTube tutorial, freecodecamp.org. Again, a YouTube tutorial, Matt Wolfe, Coursera, and OpenAI Help Center. These are the free resources. Now, the second feature comes Excel. Not simple Excel, AI Excel. Finance still runs on spreadsheets, but AI makes it powerful. So the best AI tool to use along with Excel is Microsoft Copilot. You can automate the formulas, reports, data cleaning, and whatnot. The best YouTube channel to learn Excel is Leila Gharani. Seriously, one of the best teachers online. Other resources where you can learn Microsoft Copilot is Excel's Fun, Udemy, LinkedIn Learning. So this was all about AI in Excel. Third skill is AI assisted reporting. Now this means using AI to summarize your reports, create presentations, generate insights, and save so much of manual work. The tools where you can learn AI assisted reporting is Claude and Perplexity AI. These are amazing. So I can just give you a practice idea that download any company's annual report and then ask the AI to summarize the risks, explain the revenue growth, market trends, and growth opportunities. This is how exactly professionals are starting to work. Now, next skill mentioned was research automation. So now instead of manually checking the stock news or market trends, AI can automate it for you. You have to use the tools like Zapier, Make, and Notion AI. These tools connect the apps together automatically. So for example, whenever a company releases its new report or news, AI can automatically summarize it, save it to Notion, and email it to you. That's automation. Finally, productivity workflows. Now this is where AI becomes your personal assistant. You can use AI for note-taking, scheduling, summarizing meetings, and managing tasks. The best tools for productivity workflows are Notion AI, Google Gemini, and Microsoft Copilot. Now, let's come to the learning strategy. What people try to do is they try to learn everything at a time. No, it doesn't work that way. Now, if I had to give you a roadmap, this would be the roadmap. Start learning ChatGPT prompting first and then go to Excel plus AI features. And then third, you can start with AI research tools. After that, slowly start moving towards Power BI and other tools as mentioned. Remember, the future belongs to the people who combine finance plus AI plus productivity. So I hope these tools are helpful to you and the resources help in learning the tools. Don't try learning everything at once. Start with one skill and then there is so much more to learn. I hope this video helped you, and in case it did, do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, it gives me great pleasure announcing that my career support program is helping so many students and job seekers. So far, 20 plus people have enrolled and are pretty much satisfied with the guidance and services. So do check out my career support program, and I'll be mentioning the link in the description and we can get connected. Plus, I had announced that I'm planning to start Tally course as well, similar to the Excel course which is already running on my YouTube channel. Do check that. So I'm planning to start Tally course and a course on how to improve your communication skills as well. So do let me know if you people are in for it, then we can get it done on a larger scale. Alright, that's it for today then. Thank you for watching.